So the main thing you're going to want to do is actually edit the pages. So I usually do this. I start out at the front ends. So if you're on the back ends, you can just come back up to the top, hit your name, and now you're on the front end of the website. I'll then navigate to the page in question. Let's say the plays page, and say I want to edit the plays page. I want to change what's on here. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to hit edit page. And generally, I recommend there's two ways to edit the page. Over here on the right, it'll say visual and text. Text is advanced. I love the text view, but I may be the only person that loves the text view. My wife uses visual view, and most human beings use visual view. If you're not a programmer, if you're not an HTML guy, this is really the view that you should be using to do your editing. And as you scroll through, you can see it works a lot like Microsoft Word. So when you're looking at these things, you can type in here, you could highlight something and change it. You can make it bold, you can make it italics. I generally recommend against messing with the fonts. The system is going to do that for you if you don't mess with it. But this is the interface, and like I said, by and large, it works like Microsoft Word. The only difference would be if you wanted to add an image in, you would say Add Media right from this button here. You go basically where you want it to be, and hit Add Media, and it goes right on the page. Beyond that, this is kind of a use it, get used to it, ask questions, but by and large, it's where you want to be is this interface. That being said, once you've done all of your changes, you come over to here and hit Update. It saves all your changes. And then you go to View Page, and it takes you back to the page, and you can see what you've changed. If I go to a page like, say, Books, Books is special. If I were to go to the page for Books and hit Edit Page, I would see I just have this code here. This means that this is being built for you. This page is being built for you from special posts. So I'll get to that in another video. But if you do edit a page and you see that this code is here, don't make any changes to it. Just go back to the permalink and return to the page and use the normal way to edit that. The home page is kind of a mix here. So if you were to come in here and say edit page, you'd be able to edit some of the stuff. So you can edit your copy here, but don't mess with this because this is what puts the books on the page. Any of these display posts, tags, or special code I use. And they add the books here on the page. And they also add the books here on the page. So that's special programming stuff. You don't need to know how to use it. I just need to know how to do add new books, and I will get to that in a separate video.